Hi, Jim Stroud here. Do you have an iPhone? Well, if so, I want to show you a nice little hack that will make your life just a little bit easier. Stay tuned. Okay, you're on your laptop just typing away. You are in the zone getting things done. And while you're right there in the middle of it all, the phone rings. Now, you're at a bit of a conundrum. You don't want to stop what you're doing because you got a really good flow going, but at the same time, you want to know who's calling because you might need to talk to them. If you've ever been in that situation, and I've been in that situation a lot, you're really going to like this trick. Okay, the first thing you do is open your phone and choose a contact. For the purposes of this video, I've chosen one of my random contacts. Now, what you want to do is click the edit link here in the upper right hand corner of the screen. And on the next screen, click ringtone, then pick the ringtone you want assigned to that person. How cool is that? Now you can know who's calling you without disrupting the flow of your work. It's really, oh, gotta take this. It's a client call.
I like everything about you.